tamo po ni Kakatamong Malugod, ang Municipal Mayor, Mayor Honorable Johnny A. Sambo. Thank you, Mayor John. Mapagaya pa si Bayo mo naman yan, napon, king alumni kami. Siyempre, akit ko rin karelang lupit! Mumuna kay delegasyon, siyempre, panimunanin ni Karelang Barangay Captain Honorable Nelson P. Manalese, at ni Karelang Barangay Officials, ni Karelang SK Chairperson Honorable Marvin J. Manalese, at ni SK Kagawad, at ni Sablang P. Pagal. Already na rin mayat at masigasig at tawuning Barangay San Matias! Palakpakan tanungan po! Patiking karelang entrance talagang in character na lang din kaya katawang kayanakan ibang King San Matias. Maring sablata mong officials, dakalpong dakala salamat. King karelang the group is headed by Honorable Elisa David. And of course, we have the SK Chairperson, Eitan Bautista, Honorable Eitan Bautista, with the rest of our SK members. Dakalpong dakala salamat. Pasibayo, Barangay San Vicente!
Oh my God! Pakatukin mo naman, dahil kong dakala salamat. Yes! Dito ka para makita mo. Akakitano pong lulog. Pasitoy, Bad King Barangay Moras na labas! Headed by their Barangay Captain, Honorable Nestor Calma, and of course with all our barangay officials, ni kanilang SK Chairperson, Honorable Sun Dibanco, ang magsilbing PPSK President mo naman, and together with all our SK members, at karing sablang taga-suportada, maya pagagpanapon po kayo. Welcome to the Sabuaga Festival 2026. We love that. We love their energy. Barangay Moras de la Paz. Ayan. Malyarita mo namang mag-compress po. Going to your right. Ayan. Compress to your right. Salamat. Makinang at masalala talaga ang Barangay Sapa. Oh! Palakpakan tala po! We now have our fifth contingent entering the Pacho of St. Thomas the Apostle Parish, headed by their Barangay Captain, Honorable Karen Z. Pineda. Yan mo naman po yung mag-sitting LNB President Tamo, together of course with all our barangay officials, Honorable Michael Jordan, follow ang kanilang SK Chairperson, at din sablang SK members, taga-suporta. Welcome at dakalpong dakala salamat for being part of our Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to inform them as well. Not
not to give pressure, Mayor, ha? Pero we would like to inform everyone na Ila rin kaya katamong defending champion. Yearly, our host barangay, Barangay Poblacion. The delegation is headed by Honorable Severino P. Zapata Jr., Tito PJ, their barangay captain, with all their barangay officials, with their SK chairperson, Honorable Andrea Ignacio, and the rest of our SK members. Dakhala salamat, and please join us now here at the Patio of Santo Tomas. Welcome, Barangay Poblacion! Delegation is headed by their barangay captain, Honorable Ramil Pangilinan, and the barangay officials, in Kalelang SK chairperson, Honorable Lawrence Tonggol, and of course all our SK officials, dakala salamat, karisablang tala suporta, pamilya, kamag-anak, choreographers, costume designers, at karisablang maging parking sa Buaga Festival. Alimuning Barangay San Bartolome, all the entire barangays, dakala salamat. Dinatala pong mayang ang pwesto. Dinatala pong mayang ang pwesto, malyarita mo pa pong murong bagya. Then kakatamong manalbe. Murong tamo pa po. Murong tamo pa po, bakalita akit talang masalese tumerap. Then kakatamong kayanahan. Murong tamo po, andyan din at supengarap. Pati po rin at suwarap, murong tamo po, murong, paurong tamo pong bagya. Pakisabi ka pong mayap. Bang Ella po magkasakit.
God bless Santo Tomas.
It's the